Hey, Mike here. This is the ESR protective phone case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It is the classic version, and this happens to be my favorite version of the case. If you've seen my other video on the case series for the Samsung S23 Ultra, you'll know why. But we'll open it up. I'll show you exactly why here on the 14 Pro Max version as well. Now, in a nutshell, it's a very nice slit case with a built-in kickstand that has a mechanism that is smooth and allows nearly infinite adjustability. So I'm going to take a look at this. You can scan here, get a 24-month warranty on most of their products. I think that's really great. And honestly, I think that most of their products are made very well for a very reasonable price. Now, this one has the HaloLock magnetic case piece built in there. Their whole motto is tech made easier, and I believe that. This is crystal clear. It is perfect for showing off whatever colors or schemes that you have on your phone. So here I have the newest iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is what this was exactly made for. So the colors will show right through. If you have the new yellow one, this will look really nice as well. Pretty much this will look nice with just about any color. And because it's see-through, I know that there are some people that actually put pictures and stickers and stuff, and you can definitely see this and customize it very well with this. Installation, super easy. I just basically snap it in like that, and we're done. Now, this HaloLock is, of course, completely MagSafe compatible. It has strong enough magnets that I find to be comparable to Apple's own. But the key part here is this camera guard. Now you can see there's a bit of a lip over here, and it provides about over 1 millimeter of protection for the lenses in case you put your phone down on a surface. It's going to scratch up the camera guard, but not the lenses. And that's the whole point of this. But besides the built-in camera guard, this is completely adjustable. And it holds up the phone it's almost infinitely adjustable in many different ways and direction, just one direction. But this allows me to set it up either vertically like this, landscape-wise, so that I can watch a show. And the degrees of variability are very good indeed, as long as you don't put too much weight on there. And I think that's something that really sets this apart, is this hinge mechanism is so smooth and allows infinite adjustability. Besides the crystal clear case, it also has crystal clear all the way around, and all the cutouts fit perfectly well with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, including the ability to adjust your toggle switch over here very easily. And I don't even have much fingernails, but it's got the volume up, down. It's got extra bumper protection on the sides. Now, they sell a more rugged version of this case, but I think this is the best compromise between something really nice, slim, and lightweight, easy to fit in your pocket with the nice camera guard and the stand. That's what makes the classic series my favorite, and it definitely makes it an instant classic. Now, these are available on sale, and I'll have a link down below if you're watching this video. I think a new shipment just came in. I know these go out of stock pretty quickly too. So if you are interested in getting this case, and today is April 7th, I know a shipment had just come in. Please check out my link down below. They're not affiliated links, but I will say that ESR did send me this so that I could do this video. This is not sponsored. I can say whatever the heck I want about it. If you want to support my channel, feel free to give this a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.